One of the most important measurements today shows that XRP has grown a lot. This took place at the same time that the cryptocurrency market started a small but important upward trend. Bitcoin, the most popular cryptocurrency, has broken through the $65,000 mark, and analysts expect it to keep going up. Most of the time, the price of Bitcoin sets the direction for other cryptocurrencies. The coin that is linked to Ripple might not have started a huge rise yet, but soon there will be big gains. It looks like even the bulls are getting ready for this possible rise. It looks like buyers are getting back on board with XRP after a long time of sitting on the sidelines. Based on data gathered by CoinList, the amount of XRP traded has gone up by 47.3 in the last day. It's clear that buyers and traders are very interested in XRP because its value is now $754.99 million. Bulls are getting back into the market, which means they think there will be a comeback. But that's not all. Also, the amount of open interest in XRP has grown by 3.42 times, hitting a huge $751.31 million. Another important number is the open interest in a coin, which shows how many people are keeping that asset. Because OI has gone up, more money is coming into the market. It shows that people who have money invested in XRP are no longer leaving it alone. In the last 24 hours, the value of the coin connected to Ripple went up by 1.71 times. Since this article was written, the XRP price has been going up, showing that bulls are back. It is now selling around $0.5408. It has also moved out of the resistance area and is now aiming for the $0.54 mark. The next level of barrier for XRP is $0.56. Based on how the market is moving right now, the coin might be able to get there. Right now, a big event is happening. It looks like Ripple's challenge to the SEC has been well accepted so far. But the truth is that people who follow the cryptocurrency market think XRP Ripple will reach $35 before the end of the year. I'll explain everything in simple terms, but this is a sign of hope that you can't ignore. Ripple may soon be facing a new phase in its court battle. A fascinating story that has caught the attention of the entire Bitcoin industry, a necessary end to the legal disputes amidst all the talk. Well-known community members like 25 are slowly pointing to a settlement as a possible outcome. War Awakened says that XRP and the Southeast SEC will settle the rising SEC case in the next 2 weeks. The news that the SEC has called an emergency meeting to talk about how to settle the XRP case. Rumors about the subject have been going around for years, and the deal between Apple and Ripple has made them even stronger. Looking at the season as a whole, Ripple is happy about a possible settlement, but that doesn't mean that all legal issues have been resolved by the court. The company was fined a huge $125 million when Alyssa Torres said that Ripple's sales of XRP to institutions were actually investment contracts. This makes things even more complicated. But Ripple might be planning a sneaky response because the company is challenging parts of the decision to change certain conclusions, like the ones about XRP programmatic sales. A well-known lawyer named James Murphy has suggested that Ripple file a second appeal against the decision on business sales. In a conversation with crypto law expert Christy Warner, Murphy made a strong case against labeling institutional XRP sales as securities. This made the nature of these agreements clearer. Had a practical and insightful view, Murphy used comparisons between the transactions involving commodities and Ripple's institutional sales of XRP. In the seminal Hoy case, which set the legal meaning of an investment contract in the US, this was the main point of his argument. Like the orange farmers who made a lot of money from WWJ Howie's sales, the wholesalers who bought XRP cheaply and then sold it for more money made a lot of money. Murphy said that if institutional investors were really interested in the company, they would have done better to buy Ripple shares instead of its digital coin. In his defense, he said that these groups shouldn't think of buying and selling XRP as investing in stocks, but rather as trading goods. The Bitcoin industry is still shaking from Murphy's comparison, which makes it sound like all they do is buy things cheaply and then sell them for more than they paid for them. This difference may have a big effect on the approach that Ripple uses in its ongoing battle with the SEC. Murphy advised that Ripple file a counter appeal that would question one of the main reasons given by the secretary. This would show that XRP is not a security, at least in the context of these institutional deals. This could strengthen Ripple's case and change the course of future claims. The decision could have a big impact on the Bitcoin market. If there is a cross-appeal, the Ripple case could lead courts to rethink important parts of blockchain security laws as a model for how to handle digital assets. Cryptocurrency market experts think that XRP will win a big battle, which will start the Ripple SEC clause suit and shake up the whole market. I am shocked by the figures they expect. If someone holds on to XRP, they might be on to a gold mine. A lot of experts and crypto fans think that the value of the digital asset XRP will soon go through an all-time high. Like in the early days of Bitcoin, people are getting very excited about it. Now, the once-in-a-lifetime chance is being sold as a high-stakes bet. Barbie cleverly made it clear in her tweet that XRP will continue to work as planned. Another cryptocurrency is XRP, which is like Bitcoin but much stronger. A very long time from now, everyone will have at least one coin from this set. Because XRP has a history of solving real-world problems and is naturally useful, people are likely to feel better about it. Jack the Ripper said in a tweet that XRP's price is based on how useful it is, not on how much it's worth or how much is available. Experts say this is the last big test before cryptocurrency takes a huge step forward by fixing a real problem for real people. The only goal is to make it useful. Viewpoint strengthens the case that XRP has real value, not just an idea. It's different from other cryptocurrencies because it's based on real-world uses. XRP looks like it's getting ready for yet another huge rise if you look at the numbers. An expert named Helen Esche says that XRP happens over and over again. The price of XRP would soar to new heights after each long time of consolidation. It jumped from 1 cent to almost $4 in early 2018, which is the most well-known case of this. An amazing rise of $70,000 in just 1 year. Ashes, which is just around the corner, says that XRP's price moves in cycles. After hitting a high point in 2013, XRP went down until it came back in 2015. This trend continued after the 2017 boom. The price of XRP went up in a similar, though smaller, way in 2021. At the moment, XRP is worth about 50 cents. Based on what I understand from his study, XRP's value could really go up in the future. Sending. It's skyrocketing from $16 to an amazing $35. Another thing that could cause this rise is the expected settlement of an SEC case. It's hard to stay calm when forecasts are so positive. A lot of people have said this before, but keep in mind that XRP's value is based on how useful it is, unlike investments whose value is based only on speculation. If Ripple and the SEC can agree on something, or if Ripple's lawsuit is successful, the long-standing legal uncertainty about XRP may be cleared up. It was said in a mixed tweet that this bull run will ruin XRP's image. XRP's strength lies in the useful answers it provides for issues like lack of liquidity problems and sending money across borders. Its value is likely to go up because more people want to use options that use XRP. After looking at how it has worked in the past and what it could be used for, the thought of XRP's meteoric rise isn't just a guess. There is a development that could change everything. There are a lot of other Ripple-related events where XRP is present. Net has won a number of awards for its innovative work in digital banking. This shows how important it is to be able to send money between countries quickly and safely. This shows very well how Ripple helps businesses improve their payment systems and link them to more traditional banking systems so they can handle foreign payments, putting together smart partnerships like these. Ripple shows how its technology solves real-world problems that big banks are having and makes it faster, safer, and cheaper to send money across borders. Some of the ways that QB has grown its online footprint are through products like PayWallet and better mobile banking options.